Hello everyone, this is Sam from DATEC Studios. In this video, I want to show you quickly create a button, but this time using preset styles of Photoshop. So go to File menu, New, or press Ctrl or Command N, something like 1000 by 300 and any resolution you like. I set on 300. Make sure your color mode is RGB. Create. From the shape, select rounded rectangle and start drawing. Set your roundness. Go to Window menu and select Styles. Here we have Styles panel. There are several types of preset styles here, as you see, which usually on each versions of updates it's different. Click on this small flyout menu, enable legacy style and more. If I expand it now, we have several styles of presets from older versions, 2019 and all old. If you scroll down, we have here web styles. You could open it and simply click any of those. You see, there are a number of beautiful stylized buttons you could generate simply and quickly. And if you like to modify them or learn how it's made it, simply double click any empty area or that effects here or effects button from layer panel, blending options, and you could analyze there here. For example, we have color overlay. You could change any color you like. Okay. Inner glow, of course. For bottom side, made very dark. You could still change the color and overlay, opacity, make it noisy, and size. Inner shadow, it's better to change also to close our color. Darker, of course, because it is set on multiply. Contour for the top side. You could change the range, also type of contour, and bevel and emboss, of course, make it like bold height. You could set the depth, size, it's make it larger, and softness here, if you set soften. Also, we have gloss contour. You could click any of those and edit. For example, I like to edit this one. Simply click on the gloss contour shape. Here we have contour editor. There are a number of different presets which I showed you here, but you could simply make it manually. For example, something like that. I think it is too strong. You see, simply you could control it. Okay and okay. And of course, anytime you like, you could add your own text. Click. Note that because I have shape, my mouse cursor shapes with a circular. If you don't like to create text into this shape, hold on the Shift key and click to start make your own text. Button. And here it is. Again, if you like to save it as a ping with transparency information, make the background layer hide. As you see, the on button also it is transparent, so I increase the fill to get 100% results. Go to File menu, Export and Save for Web. Select PNG 24. And save. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.